We are going to be making an infographic built out of many charts around Thanksgiving. I just feel like there's a lot of overlooked data that we should really dive into.
We did announce today that Gemini 3 is a new partner model with Adobe Firefly. This is called Nano Banana Pro. Lots of great things that it does, including keeping characters consistent across the board. But my favorite thing, being the history nerd that I am,
Are you?
is that it has historically accurate maps. Everyone can explore Gemini 3 in Firefly Boards, text to image, all across where you get your Firefly.
So how I'm gonna kick this off is I'm gonna start in fonts.adobe.com, one of my favorite places to be. I'm gonna type in pie and see if we can have some semantic search.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Ooh, this first one is so good.
72 fonts in this family.
Wow.
They're feeling generous. This is really cute. Omnis, I think is gonna be our girl. So we're gonna click on Pie.
Yes.
Because honestly, what a cutie.
Wait, that's actually such a cute font.
And then we also liked Omnis. Data by the Byte, I think will be fun.
What if someone was taking a bite out of that D? I mean, we'd have to jump into Illustrator.
That would be an Illustrator.
We don't have
for
to
sure.
do that now, but like, just,
it wouldn't be that hard.
Cute.
I think I have Illustrator open. I'm on it.
This is a great representation of how you can go from one app to the other. Super easy.
Can you command copy, command paste for me, please? There she is.
Oh, I'm
hey,
so
girl.
happy we did this.
Honestly obsessed. I'm gonna come over to the add menu and I'm gonna click charts and grids, like everyone does.
Sorry, I fell asleep.
Jacob's dying. The last cam. I'm gonna start with a bar chart. So I put together some facts for us. This is about people touching their food, or like food touching it, and if people are okay with it touching.
Okay.
Opinions of food distribution is what I'm gonna title this because it's like very factual.
Well, can you make it a pie chart?
Can I think this is gonna do, okay.
Yeah.
Pie chart. Whoa, it'll just convert like that for me?
Yeah, she's
Express,
so smart.
you would do that for me?
She's so smart.
You're so thoughtful like that. So I'm gonna do edit page. I'm going to do just like this light tan color so we can have more. I actually may make it a little bit lighter. My vision for this, guys, I'll let you in on it, is a bunch of graphs surrounding data by the byte. And so I want them kind of to be like their own colors. Like this one will be yellow, We're gonna have an orange one. What's a fun like name for it?
Ooh, try the rewrite. Do like favorite desserts by the, or like something like that, and then see what it says.
I feel like this isn't enough for it to rewrite, but let's rephrase.
Make it funny.
Comical, shorten, generate. Pie dazzle digits.
Dude, it's good. It's
Sweet
really
slice
good.
stats, done.
It's
Replace.
really good. I'm actually having fun. Yeah.
Chat, we heard it here
You
first.
did it.
She's having fun.
You did it.
Okay, let's do a donut chart.
Green, 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 green.
Okay, I just have some more fall stuff, so I'm gonna go into my stuff and I'm gonna go into the Thanksgiving one. I'm just gonna bring these in and see if we can bring some like fun color.
I love this. Imagine if you came to your boss, they're like, oh, put together a pie graph, and instead of like your normal ugly pie graph, you came to them with this.
And you served immediately.
They'd be like, oh my God, get that girl a raise.
Dang, Adobe Express out here getting girls raises.
Okay, what are you doing now?
Okay, I'm just making a border because I think it'd be kind of nice to kind of like give some visual, consistency. We had a lot of fun. I think I'm gonna finish this out with some more stuff from my library, but I really appreciate you guys tuning in.